Hello everyone. So today in the session we will discuss topic statistics, chapter 15, NCERT. Exercise 15.2, question number 9. Find the mean, variance and standard deviation using shortcut method. So this is the data where height in centimeter and here is frequencies. Okay, so we need to find the mean, variance and standard deviation using shortcut method. It is very important question. So let us make the table. So first column is height. So here is height. Height. Okay, class interval. So here is class interval. Now number of children. So here is number of children. So it is all about frequency. Frequency Fi. Okay, so mark here 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100, 100 to 105, and 105 to 110, and final 110 to 115. So here now the frequency. What about the frequencies? So frequency data is 3, 4, 7, 7, 15, 9, 6, 6 and 3. So student, we are going to find mean, variance and standard deviation by using shortcut method. So first we need the midpoint. So what is midpoint? So add here midpoint. Midpoint means xi. So the way to find xi is 70 plus 75 by 2. So 70 plus 75 by 2. So whatever you are getting, that will be the midpoint. So you are getting 72.5. So here will be 72.5. And next one is 77, 77.5. 77.5 and difference is 5. आप देख सकते हैं कि 70 और 75 के बीच में 5 का डिफरेंस है. तो सभी का जो डिफरेंस है वो 5 का है. सो यहाँ पर भी 5 का डिफरेंस आएगा. सो इट इज 82.5, 87.5, 92.5, 97.5, 102.5, 107.5 and 112.5. These are the mid values. Now we will find out the deviation. Okay, because shortcut method is solve करना है, तो shortcut method में आपको deviation चाहिए. So UI, you take UI, that is equal to xi minus a upon h. So what is a? A is the assumed mean. So what is assumed mean? Whatever you are finding in the middle part of this. So जो भी mid values है, उनके जो भी middle part में, so you will take as a assumed mean. So I think 92.5. So I am looking to find 92.5 here. So it is a assumed mean. Let us consider this is A, assumed mean. Okay, so what is UI? Xi minus A. So 72.5 minus 92.5. That is minus 20 and minus 20 upon h. H is 5. H is 5 because class interval side. So minus 20 upon 5, that is minus 4. So you are getting here minus 4. And here minus 3. Here is minus 2. Here is minus 1. देखिए इसका एक बेनिफिट है कि इसमें एक पैटर्न बन जाता है. अगर -4 -3 आ रहा है तो इनके बीच में 1 का डिफरेंस है, तो आगे तक 1 का डिफरेंस ही रहेगा. -2 -1 0. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 एक पैटर्न हम यहाँ पे पैटर्न फाइंड आउट करेंगे ना, पैटर्न। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज UI स्क्वायर, all the entries based on the formula, फॉर्मूले में जो भी आपको नीडेड है वो एंट्रीज यू विल फाइंड हियर। सो -4 स्क्वायर इज 16, so you will write here 16, 9, 4, here is 1, here is 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So now next one, entry FI UI. Okay, what is FI UI? And the next entry will be FI UI square. So it is a final entry. So FI UI, it is -12. You can multiply UI column with FI. So 3 into -4, -12, -12. Again -12. You can see calculation part you can do by yourself. 0, 9, 0, 9, 12, 18, 12, 18, and 12. And FI UI square, it is 48, because 16 into 3, 48. So I think whatever I'm writing here, you all are getting, okay, from where I am calculating this. सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ मैं दो नंबर्स को, 54 and here is 48. So as per the formula, you need suppose first is mean. So first part is mean. So what is mean? By shortcut method. So formula is a plus 1 by n summation I 1 to n fi ui into h. Very important formula. So you will apply all the information. Assumed mean is 92.5 and 1 by n. So n, sum of frequency. So sum of frequency is 60. Here is 60. So it is all about 60 and FI UI. So you need to find this information also. इसको आप sum करेंगे, so you will get 6 and this will be 254. This will be 254. So right here 6 into h. So 6 into h. H is 5. So now simplify, calculate, and final answer 92.5 plus 5 cancel out, 60 by 12 and 6 by 2. That is 0.5. So final answer you are getting 93. So 93 is your first answer. So this is the answer, 93. Now come to the second part. So in the second part you need to find the variance. So what is variance? Variance formula, shortcut method. So variance for shortcut method. So it is h square and here is 1 by n summation I 1 to n fi ui square, and here is 1 by n summation I 1 to n fi ui whole square. This is a shortcut method to find the variance. So here you can take n square common from both sides, from the denominator, n square common. So you will find the new formula n summation I 1 to n fi ui square minus, and here is summation I 1 to n. देखिए बहुत ही केयरफुली आप इस सॉल्यूशन को देखिए, बहुत ही केयरफुली. So you will get each and every point. Now apply the data, whatever you have. H value is 525. Here is n value is 60. So here is 60 square. So this is 3600 and n is 60. Here is 254 minus summation fi ui is 6 square 36. So calculate this. So calculation part is yours, and calculate this, and definitely you will get 105.583. So student, this is the answer of the second part. This is the answer of second part. Okay, so mean is done, variance is done. Now the last part is standard deviation. So for finding the standard deviation, okay, so you can note down this all information and I am finding standard deviation, the last part of this question. So last part of this question, standard deviation. So what is standard deviation? Square root of variance. So standard deviation standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. Square root of variance. So that will be 105.583. So you can put here the approximate value, not sure कि आपको accurate value लिखनी है, approximate value. So 10 square is 100. So it will be approximate 10.275. So this is the answer. Okay, students. So all the parts I have covered, and I hope you enjoy the lecture and got each and every point. So see you with a new video. Thank you so much.